What's up, guys, and welcome to GeekSourceHD. Happy November, or happy Movember, guys. I know I'm looking a little scruffy, but for November, every year, I grow my beard out to support men's health. Let me know if you guys actually participate with that down in the comments below. But this video is just a quick tip video. I'm just gonna give you guys 3 tips to come up with ideas for YouTube channels. I know a lot of upcoming small YouTube channels actually struggle with this, along with myself. Right now I have 134 subscribers, and I thank every single one of you guys for joining the Geek Source family. I do appreciate it. But I'm gonna start with 3 tips to get you guys ideas for your upcoming videos. All right, so guys, step number 1 is to actually just get out and bring your camera everywhere you go. A lot of people don't do this, and they miss a lot of good footage out wherever they are. It could be whether you're going out to a bar, or whether you're going out to a park, whether you're just driving around. Bring your camera gear with you. You never know. And you can also just bring a small camera with you, like a Canon G7X Mark II or Canon G9X Mark II. I have a video of the unboxing for you guys if you guys want to take a look at those videos. But just bring your camera everywhere you go, and you guys will be happy with the results. Tip number 2 is to actually start writing your ideas down. If you don't have a piece of paper, jot them down in your phone and your notepad. All right, every phone has a WordPad or a notepad for you to actually record your ideas. Like when I'm actually at work, I'm actually sitting there and I'm working on workforce management planning, but from time to time an idea will pop up in my head and say, hey, that's a great YouTube idea. So always keep a pen and paper or your phone next to you, so when you come up with these ideas, you don't forget to jot them down and record them. All right, so on to tip number 3. Tip number 3 is gonna be to actually ask your family and your friends for ideas. A lot of YouTubers stray away from this, but this is such a great idea because they think completely outside of the box when it comes to YouTube. All right, as a tech tuber and as a YouTuber, we actually just think inside the box and think about all these rules and things like that. Oh, YouTube's algorithm and stuff like that. But family and friends are a great tool to actually use to come up with video ideas. Like at least 3 of my videos came from my wife, my friends, and family. All right, so tip number 3, use your friends and family. Well, not use them, but you know what I mean. Take their suggestions and ideas seriously and try to implement them any way you can. All right, so that's tip number 3. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and shoot some buttery B-roll, baby. So that is a wrap here at, I don't know what park this is. I'll leave the name down in the description. But I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased yesterday for Black Friday. Got some good tech stuff, so I'll see you guys when I get home. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go get me some food and then I'll meet you guys in the house. All right, guys, so here I am. I'm back home and just finished eating, and I just want to give you guys a recap of how our Black Friday went and what we were looking for. All right, so you know this is a tech channel. Not only do we do cinematography, we also love tech. So I was looking to add a few peripherals to my computer and to upgrade its graphics card. So we went with a 1440p monitor, all right, by Acer. It's the Acer Gaming Series. It's a 32-inch monitor, all right, and we were looking for 1440p because we were trying to step it up from 1080p. All right, we've been rocking 1080p 60 hertz monitors for the longest, and I'm just tired of it. I want to see more detail, guys. So we went with this Acer Gaming Series 32-inch monitor. It's a VA panel, all right, and it's 144 hertz, so it should get the job done and look beautiful. It's already sold out. It was $299. It was $100 off. All right, so their original retail price was $400. We got it for $300. All right, we were also looking for a graphics card. All right, now we're currently rocking a GTX 1060 6GB graphics card. That was great at 1080p, but it's not going to cut it for 1440p, and we want to look to get over 75 frames per second. So we went with an RTX 2070 gigabyte card, as you can see here. Now yesterday, the 1080 cards, which we were originally looking at, were $439, all right, but the RTX 2070 card was $499, and it also came with Battlefield 5, which is $60, but it was free. So it pretty much brought the price down to a GTX 1080, and it makes no sense to go with older architecture when you can pick up newer architecture for the same price. So we went with RTX 2070 gigabyte card. Should get the job done and pair well with that monitor. Now the monitor is also a FreeSync monitor, and that should pair well with the Xbox One X. So the Xbox One X also supports FreeSync, and certain games can be powered to actually look amazing on a FreeSync monitor. So we went with a FreeSync monitor. I know it doesn't pair with the RTX 2070 card, but we will be able to reach those high refresh rates using this panel, because that panel again goes to 144 hertz, which is amazing. All right, so it should look buttery smooth. Now we're currently using a 1080p 60 hertz monitor. I'm looking to upgrade from that. That should get the job done. All right, so if you look today at any of the GTX 1080 prices, they are $500 or more. So it makes no sense to actually pick up those cards. Pick yourself up a RTX 2070 card, because a 1080 card, older architecture, RTX card, newer architecture for the same price or better. So go with an RTX card. All right, so that does it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All right, and subscribe to the Geek Source family if you have not already. We thank you, we love you, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.